Actually, you updated me some requirements. So based on that, I created these files. The first step is data pre-processing. On the data pre-processing, I had implemented. I'm removing the credit amount scores. Okay, based on your requirements, it should be there the debit scores. So I done the pre-process. Once the data pre-processing is over, the file preprocess.csv file will be created, and then this will be on the data set which you given here. It contain a number of purchase category, so we have to categorize all the category, like a number of insurance will comes under one type of insurance, and a number of entertainment need to be comes under a normal entertainment, and a number of healthcare should comes under a normal healthcare, which you present in a word file, right? So based on that, I created this file. And then this future will be, we have to extract the future which you informed. And the thing is, in the base paper, I'm just opening the base paper here. So in the base paper which you informed, so on the same basis I implemented. But what will be the thing is, so I'm using this, okay, for under the materialism. So these are all the future should be there. So in the data set which you shared me, on that there is no IOB, and there is no this average on that basis, a number of cash withdrawn transfers, and some thing is missing out, the salary. So this are all is not available over there. But I somehow I managed over those futures individuals. Then I have to calculate the individual part and coefficient, and then I am creating the create data. What will be the create data will stand for? I am by using future extraction, the overall transaction, for each transaction what will be the future will be. And while I'm creating the data, I'm processing, because you given for one account holder you are given more than 30 transactions, right? So I'm comparing all the transactions, and I'm creating the csv file that for one account holder, overall what will be the categories comes under. So on that way I created this create data file. And finally I'm applying into CNN for the training part, and I'm executing this app.trial for the Streamlight web app. If I give a number of transactions over there, for what category the purchase will be done, so based on that, what the personality will be. So this is how I had created. Right now, I am going to execute a project. So the pre-processed data set is created. Then, so this is the data set which you given for me. Okay, so the pre-processed data set is created on this way, and I'm executing this file. You can see here on pre-processing file, you are having the purchase category will be in this way. Okay, so now the category data set is comes under. So you can see the purchase category will comes under category. So then I need to execute Python 3 underscore. So based on the account holders, overall account holders, based on that. And So I created based on those conditions, category unique on that basis. Once this is done, so I'm going to execute the next step, that I'm going to create a data. Okay, Python. So it is over. Here the particular data set is created. So based on that, we are giving what will be the materialism score and what will be the self score, and this based on this for each how the thing is happening. And the next step which we are importing over here is CNN. It started for the training process. It will take long time for the training. I already trained, just for the example I'm showing over here. So once that is over, then I am processing the final thing, like which I already shown you with some classification also. So right now I am directly moving on to the Streamlit application. So I just minimize this and I'm opening new Anaconda command prompt with the path. So I given here a 10 category. If you are interested, you can do n number of things, any one or two. Based on that, the values, and I'm showing you some reference data set related to this.